road there really should have the reality is too much to bear. You know what's horseshit? No turn signals. Yeah, people who don't use turn signals. Now, back in the day you might have had a car, and this is for the older generation, and you had to stick your hand out and adjust it for left or right or whatever. Nowadays we've moved up in technology and got blinkers on our car, and people don't fucking use them. So you don't know if you're going to be able to make a right without somebody crashing into you, or a left if they don't have those fucking blinkers on. People know this. You gotta pass a test to drive, and they still don't fucking turn them on. I mean, geez Louise. How can that be, even in times of inclement weather, that people don't realize they gotta use those motherfucking signals? It pisses me off to no degree, and that's why I made this video. And we all know that it's horseshit.